right, guys. So let's go ahead and review the vowel teams OA and OW. All right. Remember, when we're working with vowel teams, when two vowels go walking, the first does the talking. All right. Let's review some words that have these vowel teams in them. Where's our vowel team? Do you see it? OW. And we talked about the fact that even though W is not a vowel, when it's paired with an O, we still call it that vowel team. So there's our vowel team. The first vowel does the talking, so our vowel sound is O. The second one is silent, so our W doesn't say anything. So our word is O. Next word. Do you see our vowel team? All right, there it is, OA. The first does the talking, O. The A is silent, so our word is toast. Toast. Good job. Here we go. Where's our vowel team? My eyes are on it. O-A is our vowel team. O does the talking. The A is silent. Let's look at this blend. Bloat. Bloat. Good job. All right. Our next one. Ooh, this is a two-syllable words because I see two vowels. I see one vowel and one vowel team. All right. So my first syllable, L. Mel. O is my second syllable. The O does the talking. O, W is silent. So we have mellow. Mellow. But what are those rules about spelling the words? Do you remember them? Let's look. The first rule is if we hear O at the beginning of a word or in the middle of the word, we're going to use the spelling pattern O-A. Okay? Like in the word coat. Oat. Coat. We heard the O sound in the middle of that word, so it's spelled O-A. Second word, oak. We hear the O sound in the beginning of the word, so I know it's spelled O-A. Rule number one, beginning or middle, we use O-A. Okay? Rule number two, if we hear O at the end of the word, we use O-W, okay? Like our word show. I hear O at the end of the word, so I'm going to spell it O-W, show. Or we have another word, follow. Follow. It's at the end of the word, so it is O-W. Here we go. All right, let's spell some real words. They're going to be all mixed up today, okay? So you're going to have to figure out, do I spell it O-A? Do I spell it O-W? Here we go. Word number one, yellow. Yellow. Where do we hear the O sound in yellow? At the end. How does that one work? Do you remember? If it's at the end, we spell it with an O-W. Yellow. Good job. Word number two, coach. 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 Ooh, it's in the middle. It's in the middle. How do I spell it? I'm going to spell it with an O-A. Good job. C-O-A-C-H. Coach. Good job. Word number three, goat. 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 G-oat. Oh, I hear it in the middle. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Very good. All right. Our next word is, ooh, this one's kind of hard. I gave y'all some hard words today. I like this. Our word is window. Window. Hear it at the end. Window. Window. All right, our word is W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. All right. And our last word, railroad. Railroad. Let's see. Can you figure it out? It's a two-syllable word, railroad. railroad. Rail, ale. Got it? What? A. How do we spell the A in the middle of a word? Rail, road. Road. 2 vowel teams are in this. Did you spell it like this? R-A-I-L, because we know A-I goes in the middle of a word when the A sound. Road, R-O-A-D, road, railroad. All right, here we go. We're going to try some sentences today. All right, here we go. Listening ears on first, then we'll write it. Stan should row the yellow boat away from the shadow. Stan should row the yellow boat away from the shadow. All right? Stan should row. Stan should row. Stan should row the yellow boat. The yellow boat away from the shadow. The shadow. Stan should row the yellow boat away from the shadow. Stan should row the yellow boat away from the shadow. All right, here we go. We're going to check it. So if you're not finished yet, that's fine. Go ahead and pause your video. But if you are finished, put those editing eyes on, and here we go. Here we go. Capital S. 2 reasons that S should be capitalized. Number 1, it's the beginning of a sentence. So it always gets capitalized. Number 2, it's a proper noun, or it's the name of someone, and names always get capitalized. Okay? Stan should, okay, here is our red word, should row, there's that O-W at the end of a word, the yellow, there it is again, boat, whoop, it's in the middle, boat, away, there's a red word, from, there's a red word, the shadow, the shadow, O-W at the end of a word. Also, make sure we have this super important period at the end. Now, do you see how important it is to know how to spell those red words? Our red words are in everything we do, okay? So that's why we practice it and we really take it seriously. We want to know how to read them as soon as we see them, but we also want to try our best to learn how to spell them, all right? Here we go. Let's look at our next slide, which is our red words. All right, today what we're going to do is I'm going to let you write them down one time, and then I want you to come up with a sentence for each word, okay? So you're going to write your word down once, and then you're going to come up with a sentence with that red word, okay? So here we go. Our first word, many, M-A-N-Y, many. So go ahead and write that word down. You can come up with your sentences at the end of the video, okay? Many. Red word number 2, again, A-G-A-I-N, okay? Go ahead and write that one down, A-G-A-I-N, again. Red word number 3, study. Uh-oh, didn't come up. Study. S-T-U-D-Y, study. Study. And our last red word for today, answer. Don't forget that tricky silent W. A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. All right. So remember, after this is over, you're going to come up with a sentence to go with each one of those words. All right. Let's finish up reviewing our red words from the rest of the semester. Here we go. Went, still, ask, where, from, why, think, give, know, would, always, over, sentence, should, around, follow, away, different, because, another, letter, place, before, picture, mother, green. All right, great job, guys. Remember, I want you to come up with those 4 sentences using your red words, and then you're done for today. Have a good day.